let me show the MRI. So on the MRI you can see L45 is a big disc. It's pressing on the nerve, the spinal cord. And we are marking the L45 level. We are marking the L45 level. Scan. So here is the L45 level. Yeah, so that's the L45 window. So I'm giving an incision here. It's just a pinpoint incision, not required. Here. That's the only card we give to take out the disc. तेरे प्यार में तेरी जान तेरी बहकी बहकी निगाह मुझे तुझे बना दिया. We go bang, bang, right on target. Go look. So we are on the L45. Laminar window, into laminar window, insert the skull. Patient had real severe pain, especially on the right side, so I'll be going for the right side. Grabber. Let's grab everything with the grabber. So this is endoscopic spine. Endoscopic spine surgery. Going into laminar approach. This is a tough approach, not many to do it. There are 2 or 3 centers in India who are well versed with this. I've done so many, 1,000 interlaminar spine surgery. तेरे प्यार में तेरी जान तेरी बहकी बहकी. We'll make the patient walk tomorrow. Today, sir, after one. Discharge tomorrow. Got it. मुझे एक शराबी बना दिया ये जो हल्का हल्का. Put pedals. Madam, shoulders. Shoulder screen. Blood pressure.
65/46.
55/46. Excellent dose. Perfect dose. Blood. Two centers cross in there. This ventilator pink. And I'm almost done with the procedure. It has taken me 20-25 minutes. You've taken out the disc. I'm just clearing the debris and that's it. We'll make him stay in 1 hour's time. Out of the hospital by the morning. Correct. I've done 100 interlaminar endoscopic procedures with no complication to date. Got it. You do halka halka. So this is the incision. It's just a pinpoint incision. We might stitch, we might not stitch, we might just put it on tape. And he'll be walking 1 hour time. Imagine a patient with spine surgery walking just 1 hour time.